All right, so this lucky gave me some trouble. It was fresh out. I tried to do it with a hairpin. I just wanted to get a quicker run through. This lock is locked onto another lock right now. I'm in the car trying to do the best I can to hold the phone on the lock. I'll wait for it to stop being so blurry. All right, I had fashioned this. I bent it with a little bit of a bend there to help make sure I don't wedge against the housing. Come in there, give it a little bit of tension. Come into this lock. Come in, pick the back. I'm really sorry it's not focusing very well. There we go. All right. Try it one more time. This is really hard to do like this. I'm trying to hold the camera with the back of my hand while I apply the tension. I'm losing my tensioner in here. There we go. There we are. Got it popped open. Didn't take me but not even 2 minutes, or maybe about 2 minutes. But that's that lock I got from the dollar store for $3.